Are you looking for the best fast-charging cables? Fast-charging cables are a critical companion to higher wattage power adapters and feature-rich devices. As devices push higher wattage and power delivery standards, PD 3.0 or 3.1 EPR, the quality of the cable, including its copper purity, conductor gauge, shielding, nylon braiding, connector robustness, and built-in safety in eMark chips, directly influences charging speed, data transfer reliability, heat management, and long-term durability.
Product number 1. INIU USB-C to USB-C cable. Overview. INIU's flagship 240-watt USB-C to USB-C cable emphasizes the ability to power a wide range of devices at high wattage with a braided, durable construction. Boasting an eMark 2.0 safety system and a 3-year warranty, it positions itself as a premium option in a compact 2-pack format. The marketing highlights include claimed 71% iPhone 15 charging in 30 minutes and compatibility with laptops, tablets, and game consoles delivered through a 6.6-foot braid cable with included 2-pack. Prospective buyers should note that the performance claims depend on a compatible 240-watt capable charger and device handshake. Performance-wise, the 240-watt rating implies delivery of variable power up to device-specific limits, for example, 20V for high-wattage devices, with dynamic eMark 2.0 overcurrent and temperature monitoring. In practice, users with MacBook Pro, iPads, or newer iPhones can expect faster charging on supported adapters, but real-world results hinge on a matching charger that supports PD 3.1 and EPR. The cable's build quality, braided nylon, robust connectors, and a stated 3-year INIU care supports daily use in environments prone to bending and travel. The inclusion of a 6.6-foot length also improves reach for desk setups or couch charging without excessive slack.
Product number 2. Listen USB-C to Lightning cable. Overview. Listen's 4-in-1 charging cable bundles USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to Lightning, USB-A to USB-C, and USB-A to Lightning into a single long 6.6-foot package. Marketed as a universal solution, it supports 240-watt fast charging via USB-C to USB-C when paired with a compatible PD EPR charger. It emphasizes rugged silicone construction, 50,000-plus bend cycles, and RGB charging indicators. The multi-connector design aims to reduce clutter and expand device compatibility for travelers and households with mixed ecosystems. In practice, the 4-in-1 design is convenient for mixed device households, but introduces slightly more mass at the connectors and potential wobble if used with slim ports. Data transfer is listed at 480 megabits per second, which is adequate for typical syncing tasks, but not a USB 3.x class throughput. The emphasis on safety via Listen's eMark 3.1 and EPR protocols, combined with a 72-month warranty, makes it appealing for users who juggle iPhones, iPads, Androids, and laptops. Price remains near the premium end of this set, but the flexibility can translate into real-world savings on multiple cables.
Product number 3. Lysen USB-C cable. Overview. This Lysen multi-length 5-pack focuses on 60-watt USB-C to USB-C charging with a 3.3, 3.3, 6.6, 6.6, and 10-foot assortment. It targets users seeking flexibility in length while ensuring USB-C to C fast charging capabilities up to 60 watts and data transfer up to 480 Mbps. The pack-friendly pricing and varied lengths make it a solid value option for households with multiple devices or different charging stations. Usage-wise, the 60-watt spec suffices for phones, some tablets, and lighter laptops when paired with compatible PD adapters. The braid and build quality appears sturdy, with claimed 48-strand cotton yarn braiding. The included 10-foot option is useful for couches or bedsides, while shorter lengths help cable management in workspaces. Note that charging performance scales with the PD adapter. Some devices, especially larger laptops, will require higher wattage cables for optimal speed.
Product number 4. INIU USB-C to USB-C cable overview.
INIU's 100W variant emphasizes a balance between speed and value, claiming 60% charge in 45 minutes for certain laptops and strong performance for iPhones and Samsung devices with its upgraded PD100W framework. The 2-pack includes the longer 6.6 feet length and emphasizes durability with flyweave braided nylon, SR joint reinforcement, and the eMark 2.0 safety feature. It positions itself as a practical upgrade over the legacy 60W cables while remaining affordable in the 2-pack format. Performance-wise, 100W support caters to many mainstream laptops, tablets, and phones. Real-world use shows solid charging times for iPhone and Samsung devices when paired with suitable PD adapters. The construction focus, durable joints, and high-quality copper core should translate to longevity under daily use and travel. The 2-pack format helps households avoid cable shortages, though the per-cable cost is higher than single-pack options. Overall, it's a strong mid-range choice for those who want better than 60W performance without venturing into 240W territory.
Product number 5. Lysen 240W USB-C to USB overview. This Lysen 240W 2-pack is positioned as the top-tier option in the Lysen lineup, featuring PD 3.1 Extended Power Range, EPR, eMarker 3.0 monitoring, and 99.99% copper cores for superior conductivity. It emphasizes smart power handshake with PD 3.1/EPR to deliver max safe power to each device. The 48-strand military-grade nylon and 40,000-plus bend cycle durability claims align with heavy daily use and travel demands. Warranty coverage extends to Lysen's multi-hour support and a 72-month claim windows. In terms of real-world performance, the 240W capability is only fully utilized when used with a charger and device that support the PD 3.1/EPR handshake. The cable's high-quality copper cores and robust protection systems should minimize heat buildup during high-wattage charging, translating to more consistent charging times for laptops and flagship smartphones. The trade-off is the weight and bulk of a 240W capable cable, which can be less convenient for pocket users or tight charging spots. For power users who routinely top off laptops and high-end devices, this is a strong premium option.